Round two?
I think this might be my favorite thing that we've done. This is the best thing we've ever done in this kitchen.
Yeah.
We are going to make espresso martinis.
Dreamy Teeny. It's a classic.
Fabulous.
It's a dreamy twist on a classic espresso martini. As everybody knows that's from Long Island or the Hamptons or New York City, espresso martinis are a pretty big deal out here.
Yeah.
Seattle, it was I've had them before, but it wasn't really the thing in Seattle where I'm from. But coming out here, I've been drinking them like they're,
They're going out of style?
like they're going out of style. I'm gonna make a double batch in this container because our coupes are gigantic. I bought the wrong size. So we're just gonna make one gigantic Dreamy Teeny. First things first is the ice. This one is a shaken cocktail, so you don't build it, you pour it all over the ice and shake it. And then, so the recipe calls for 1.5 ounces of vodka. This is a Sagaponic Distillery, local potato vodka. It's excellent. They do a cucumber one as well, which is fantastic. 2 ounces of Dreamy concentrate, Dreamy coffee concentrate, and 1 ounce, little baby guy, of Kahlua. So what I'm gonna do is start with...
It's so interesting to me how the
1.5.
cocktails like go in and out of style.
Yeah.
So
1.5
having a moment.
vodka. Seems like espresso martinis have been in style out here for a long, long time. So I think they're just a classic East Coast, New York cocktail. It's gonna be around forever.
I've found that when we're catering weddings, it seems to be a very popular thing to add, like to the dance floor bar.
For sure, because people
that.
need a little energy. It was along with their alcohol, right?
Yeah.
So that's what we're gonna give them right now. All right.
Fabulous.
So there we go. We got all our ingredients in there. Make sure your lid's secure, and then you want to give it a shake. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it harder than you think you should, just to really get it cold and really develop some foam on there. And then there you go. About 15 seconds. And we're gonna just do one today. And then this has a strainer attached right on the top.
Oh,
which
yummy.
is really handy. Sometimes you have to get your own strainer.
My question for you is, what are you drinking?
We'll make another one later.
So beautiful.
Yeah. So let's, you can garnish it with a few coffee beans if you like. That's good.
Oh, it tastes like a chocolate bar.
That's exactly what it is. It's a dessert in a cup with coffee and alcohol. It's fantastic.
That is so good.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Thank you. So yeah, Dreamy Teeny. You can use the Dreamy concentrate as the coffee for your base of your espresso martini, and then it adds a lot of chocolate flavor to your traditional martini. It's fantastic. Any night of the week.
Thank you.
Or any afternoon of the week.